responsible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. Give me a second. I need to get things set up here. Hey, Mag. Good to see you. How are you? So I just realized I never set up TradeDay last night, so I need to do that real quick. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, blue sky. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. How's everything been going? Have you been having any time to trade, Imad? That's a shame. Borneo, the sale ends for Apex 250K on the 23rd. Do you think you're going to have time to trade anytime soon? Is things going to lighten up for you, Imad? Right now the 250K is on sale for the same price as the 50K, and they're doing a special for just the 250K. The activation fee is $89. Give me a minute here. I'm still setting up TradeDay, and then we will. No, they still got the crazy activation fee. So now let's look at the markets here. ES dipped down to 53.30, and it looks like its high was 53.36. Really? That's it? Am I looking at that right? I am looking at it. 6-point range. Ooh, that is a 7-point range. That's a really tight range overnight. NQ. Low was 633. High was 678. Only a 55-point range. Copper hit an all-time high last night, right there. It has about 260 ticks of range. Gold hit an all-time high last night, out there, 54.2. It looks like they have a 34-point range. Ultra Bond did not hit an all-time high last night. But a half a point in range. Crude oil popped up, tried to hit 80, didn't. Now falling and making me move the yellow line. About 80 ticks in range. Bitcoin sitting at 67K. So that's where we should stand at whatever body posture you're choosing to take. We are ready to rumble. Let's see here. There's the window I want. Okay. I need a pin. There we go. Okay. So now we are ready to watch the markets chop. No news this morning, I don't believe. Let me look. No news this morning, but oh my God. We have Bostic Fed speaker at 8:45, two Fed speakers at 9, and a Fed speaker at 10:30. Hey GB, yeah, I think Bulenox is just as good as Apex's offer. And their Bulenox has their end of day. Topstep X as well with their $19 50K account, and Bulenox is price matching that. Price match on, well, the 50K for Bulenox is 148. So it's competitive and it's end of day. The Bulenox at 1805 for the 50K is an end. You can get that an end of day account instead of the intraday drawdown. Yeah, the scaling, but the daily loss limit does not fail you. Yeah, it's 166.05. By the way, for anyone that doesn't know, on the MightyOxTrading Discord, we actually have all this info. Let me just go to that one real quick here. Give me 1 sec. Please hold for the next available phone operator. We have these comparison sheets, the 50K prop firm comparison. Blow them up. You can see every prop firm ranked by raw eval cost and then by the total price that you will pay. If you want to go by total price, actually Blue Sky is your cheapest option, but it's a little bit expensive on the eval side. They have no funded setup fee. And then you can see here all the prices for the total prices for every account from all the major prop firms. And we have that in the 50K size, we have it in the 100K size, and we have it in the 150K size. Plus, we have a total list of all the prop firm discounts that are running also right here with any links and codes that you need. So if you're not a member of the MightyOxTrading Discord, you should be. ACBR. Prefer Topstep to what, Ahmed? Oh yeah, I do too. I mean, if you ask me to rank now, 1 through 4, it would be Blue Sky, Topstep, Bulenox, and Apex. I missed that entry right there. That was a perfect entry. I do need to update those sheets because of the sales that ended last night. So I'll do that after the stream today. Also, GB, if you're new to my channel, the other thing I do is every day I put out a video. It comes out at 7 Eastern called the Futures Prop Firm Discount Snapshot, and it runs through the sales that are running on every major prop firm. That, like I said, it comes out 6 days a week. I don't do it on Sundays because usually nothing changes on a Sunday. So pull back here. So let me get my, where's my, oh, okay, that there. Yeah, Canadian futures trader is a great guy. Consider him a very good friend. So last night, guys, on one of my Topstep evals, I took 2 trades on the NKD. I took this long off of this blue candle, and unfortunately, I didn't follow this all the way up. I got 23 ticks on this move up. Went like 90 ticks. I got 23, and then right here, I took a short. So overall, I'm up $966 on 2 NKD trades from last evening on that blue sky. I mean, on that Top Step eval. 8 p.m. Eastern time, Ahmed. That's when the Asia markets open. So usually it makes a move within the first 10 to 15 minutes of that. Pretty much, yeah. I mean, there's some days it doesn't, but most days you can catch at least one move on it. Good to see you, CBR. And here, if you look, let's look. Let's look at Friday or Thursday night. This is Thursday night. Thursday night was a little bit choppy, open choppy, but here, then that quarter after, I got that blue candle, which would have been a nice. You gotta remember, NKD moves at $25 a tick, so you don't have to get a huge move to get a bunch of money from it. And then this purple candle down, and then it's back up. So it makes some good moves. This was the open here. You can see it blew up at the open and came back down, and then you can see it just fell. This would have been a. Let's see. And that would have been a $1,000, 20 times 20. Yeah, $1,000 move in 1, 2, 3, 4, about half an hour. So yeah, the NKD can be lucrative, but you're dealing with that $25 a tick, so it can be a little scary. And I was showing the 5-minute chart there, which is a little bit easier to read, but you can often see the moves on a 1-minute chart, but only for like the first 20 minutes. There's only like enough volume to really use the 1-minute chart for the first 20 minutes after the open. Nice little pop there. So a parade of Fed speakers this morning, but no other news. Let's have a parade. Yeah, Topstep X launch price of $19 is supposedly ending tonight. They announced that they're ending it tonight. Be interesting to see whether that actually happens. But for now, if you want those Topstep X accounts for $19, might need to grab them today. Same with that Bulenox 1805 for the end of day account. Komodo Dragon. I like that name. What's the question? I might have the answer. It says rise up. What's the Do they allow South Africa? That is a great question because they do not. They're the only ones that don't have their country list on their website. So yeah, that is a great question. Ah, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think their support. I mean, I've heard that they accept everybody. So, but I can't say that for sure. I don't want to. But I think their support doesn't come in for like another hour to an hour and a half because that's when I always see deals updated as well. Um, if they don't respond to you in another hour, let me know and I'll see if I can find out anything. I think I once sent an email asking for their list of allowed countries, and they never got back to me. I've never heard of anyone not being allowed that isn't in a embargoed or restricted country because of some sort of international law, and I'm not aware of anything South Africa, so I think you're going to be okay. Which account size are you signing up for, Komodo? The 50K? And just one account? Pull one down. I'll tell you what, Komodo. I'll guarantee it. If you sign up and you're not allowed, and for some reason they don't refund you, I know they'll refund you, but if just in case if they don't, as long as you have a way for me to send you money, PayPal or Venmo or Zelle or any of those other ways of even crypto, I can upload it to Coinbase. I'll guarantee it, and if they don't refund you and you're not accepted, I'll refund you. Pull one down. choppy a little bit, but we'll see. We're really in about a 5.6 point range right now. Well, remember, we're futures, Komodo, futures. By the way, the newest addition to the MightyOxTrading Discord, I mentioned the Discord already, but over the weekend, we had installed a bot. In the mornings now, it will show all the major economic events. And on the Monday, it will show what's up for the week. And but every day, it will show what's coming up each day. This will pop at 8 a.m. Eastern time. And then down here, you have a way to activate your roles, and you can get a notification 5 minutes before a major news event. Each so 5 minutes before, like FOMC meeting minutes here on Wednesday, etc. The unemployment claims. So that's another thing we just added to the MightyOxTrading Discord. That is correct, Komodo. They'll make you pay the activation fee until your first withdrawal. Nice fall here. Very nice fall. Sorry I missed that purple candle. Morning, Chris. How was your weekend? Earn to Trade has been in business for 8 years. They are very reliable. They pay out. I used to be a mod on their Discord. They're definitely a reputable company. Just a little set in their ways. It's pretty good. Thank you, Chris. Komodo, anything I promote, I trust. And I put a lot of pride in making sure that the companies I'm working with have some sort of track record, or if they for some reason they don't, I make sure everyone knows that. I'll be like, this is a new company. They're whatever. So people know. But Earn to Trade's been around 8 years. They're one of the OGs in the industry, and they have one of the best reputations as far as payouts. Still falling. Not afraid of falling. Phoenix, they are, I mean, they're a newer company, but all things point to good. They've been around since last year, just been very slow to build up. Rod Casilli did an interview with their owner. I need to actually listen to that interview. But Rod Casilli's been in this game a lot longer than I have. So if he does a company, if he trusts a company, I trust a company type of thing. And I did talk with, I did email with the owners of Phoenix. Everything seems fine there. They have done payouts. They're just very slow in growth just because it's harder for a new firm to get traction. Yep, exactly. Yeah, Rad's an earned a trade OG as well. Yeah, Komodo, actually, one of my projects that I haven't figured out yet how I want to do is to get a full list of every country and then a full list of every prop that allows each country. That's on my to-do list. I just haven't figured out the best way to do it. Good morning, John. I didn't realize it was a holiday in Canada. Happy holiday. Hey, Cossack, good morning. Once I have that established, I'll be able to just check the list of the various firms on a regular basis to keep it up to date. It's just getting the list done is the big one. I may just do it on a Google sheet and let people link to the Google sheet. Cool. So does that mean no work today, John? So are you sitting there in your pajamas, John? Yeah, Topstep's a good company. It's a shame, some of these companies aren't more accepting of other countries. So we've dropped down to 672. What's our low of the overnight? Oh, we're way off that. Okay. Duh. We were near highs. That's right. You see our highs. All-time high from Friday, Thursday, sorry, was 760. Our major market mover this week is probably not even a regular news event, but NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. We'll have to see. Sometimes they can really blow the NQ up or down. Earn to Trade has the better track record, Komodo, because MyFundedFutures has only been around for less than a year, but I trust both. MyFundedFutures, are they okay with South Africa? I've never really checked. I know they have a longer list of countries they don't allow. So, but yeah, I mean, you're going to get paid by either one. But if you want a longer track record, it's Earn to Trade. Okay, yeah, Earn to Trade. Yeah, and I mean, there's absolutely, Earn to Trade's payment policy is better than MyFundedFutures. That's up to you, Komodo. Gauntlet means you stay in the same size account. The career path means after you hit your profit target on each step, you can move up to the next step and trade and end up trading up to a 400K size account if you take the 50K. I think most people like the career path because it allows you to continue expanding up, but and that's the one I would recommend. But it does mean that at each step you kind of start over. So, you get paid out on the 50K step and then you'll start over in the 100K, etc. But the 200K and above are static drawdown. So it's, really no disadvantage to that. Market's continuing to fall. All right, take your time. Took a long. Oh, I'm not logged in. Oops. Took a long off that blue candle. Where is my stop? There it is. ATR is really small, so I have a target at it's like 6.5, 6 points, but I'm willing to cut it early if we don't get. If it looks like it's going to stall me. You'd see it came up here to 674, and then came down and consolidated in this area. I mostly trade NQ, but I'll dabble in other things. Looks like this is going to come down, stop out, but we'll see. And a reminder that we're doing a second stream today. It's a Monday, so we always do an evening stream for Asia session, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time. Yep, stop that. Yeah. No follow through there. Went up 2 points total before popping back down. And you can see on the 5 minute is on. We're on a downtrend. If I've been looking at just a 5, this has been a nice play actually. Continuing to fall. Wow. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. I do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. I hope everyone's having a great Monday morning so far. Feel free to join us in the chat. No pressure. What about you, GB? What do you like to trade? Continuing down. Cool. Market continues to fall. We do have a Fed speaker on the docket coming up in like 8 minutes. Whether or not he's going to say anything moves the market, I do not know. It should be sometime today, Chris. Like I want to say that mine came in like at like 10 a.m. ish, my time, popping up. But very slow price action here. Continuing down. Yeah. Wow, it's a nice free fall here. Look at that. Boom, down. Boom, shakalaka. Volume spike. See if this rebounds on this volume spike. It doesn't look like it. Maybe. It does not. Now it's trying. Failing though. There we go. Hanging around 647. Let's see if it pops. Awesome. Great choices. Trying to rebound here. Morning, G-Man. Yeah, I'm long on Topstep on this, but as usual, I was early. So right now I'm red, and I'm about to cut it. Yeah, there we go. I'm on. Long off the blue candle on the 30-second chart. Stop is where? 48.75. There we go. There we go. Rising up. Come on, continue that rise. Okay, what do you mean by pair, Komodo? This is futures, so we really don't do pairs. One asset is a disadvantage? Um, no, I think most people will probably tell you to find something that you like and get to know it really well. There's a win, 6.25 points on that long. If you're newer to futures, Komodo, I would start with YM and then move to either ES or NQ. Who has paper hands? Oh, this? I'm still in the Topstep. That one I went 10, 11 points in the heat on, and now I'm back to green on it. Not at all. There's a guy on my Discord that's been trading YM for 10 years very successfully. Still rising up here, back up to 58. Oh yeah, yeah. We have a parade of Fed speakers today. as we come back down. Me personally, I think this is a pullback and it's going to continue up, but you know, I don't watch YM a lot, so I can't say for sure. So about 7 minutes to the top of the hour, 37 minutes to the bell. Do you have a Fed speaker speaking? Don't know if he's saying anything important. Bulls back there. Yep, right back down. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like the YM did come down nicely along with everything else. You see, we're getting right back into where we were here, where we chopped around. My mama told me we're going to chop around. So we'll see whether it bounces there again. So there's a lot of people here, like 29, which is a higher number than normal. So I know that the Discord got an influx of new people over the weekend with CFT closing his Discord. So if anyone's new, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Again, feel free to say hello in the chat and introduce yourself, but only if you want to. I realize that some people don't like to do that. You will get, if you stick with me, you'll get used to me occasionally breaking into song. And just so everybody's, I'm upfront with everybody. I'm not Patrick Whelan. I'm not a Trades by Matt. I'm not bombastic, and I'm also not someone that you're going to see a $20,000 P&L on. I'm still working on being a consistent trader. If you have any questions about me, always feel free to ask. If you're new to futures, we'll be happy to help you get started. This community's been around for quite a while, and we have lots of people that are good traders in here that like to help out others and support each other. We're pretty much drama free, and we like to keep it that way. He just got tired of it. He didn't really, he wants to focus on other things, Ahmed. Yeah, we got over 100 new members on the Discord over the weekend. About 115. And we're popping back up. So it did kind of bounce there. You can see here, this candle got down to 43.25. We got down to 44 there. You see YM is trying to curl back up. Crude oil coming down. Crude oil opens in a couple minutes. Gold, you see a huge drop. It hit an all-time high overnight. And now it's dropping like a rock. Copper doing the same after hitting an all-time high last night. Ooh, look at the Ultra Bond falling. It didn't hit an all-time high last night. Everything's falling. Crude's down. Hello, Greg. Welcome to the stream. I start streaming every day at 8 a.m. Eastern time, and we do it for 3 hours. And then Mondays and Wednesdays, I also do an evening stream for 2 hours from 7 to 9 p.m. That blue candle there was a signal for me, but I missed it when I was looking at metals. Silver's going as well. I don't look at silver much. But oh, yeah. Platinum's also down. You're welcome. And welcome to the stream. You know, if you feel like answering a couple of questions, I always like to ask new people questions, such as how long have you been trading? How long have you been trading futures? Do you use prop firms? And what assets do you like to trade? But again, feel free to ignore me or tell me to shut up, mind my own business, all of that good stuff. You wouldn't be the first, and I won't take offense. But in all seriousness, you know, if you're concentrating on your trading, you never need to like answer me. Oh yeah, thank you, Matt, for that reminder. For all, if you're enjoying the stream, expect to enjoy the stream, or just want to be nice. Appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Or long off that blue candle. I've never used a personal broker, you know, an actual broker, but I hear good things about AMP. I hear good things about TradeDay, and I hear good things about getting stopped out on this trade. But yeah, AMP and TradeDay's the one I hear good stuff about. But Ninja Trader brokerage is good too, from what I understand. So you know, if anyone else has anything to chime in on that, who do you use as a brokerage? Who do you like as a brokerage? Let Komodo know. I guess the other question, Komodo, though, is I'm not sure. I mean, is there restrictions on using Various brokerages in your country, so I don't know whether or not they accept South Africa or not. Good morning, RJ. How was your weekend? Awesome. Well, we're glad you're here. Nothing wrong with trading ES. Lots of ES traders here. G-Man is exclusively ES, and he does extremely well with it. RJ's been an ES trader lately, along with YM. Oh yeah, that's right. You're Canadian. Victoria Day. I only know that because John DeFore came in before you did and told me it was a holiday. Are you up to date on all the new stuff going on with Apex, Greg? That happened last week. Hanging around 646. Speaking of holidays, next Monday is an American holiday, Memorial Day. We will not be streaming that day, obviously. Pulls back here at the top of the hour. So we've taken 3 trades, 1 win, 2 losses. So looking for our next opportunity. Trying to pop back up here a little bit. Just a little bit. MightyOxTrading bringing people together since 2021. So waiting for my next entry. That blue candle there was an entry. Obviously, it would have worked, but technical trading term. Nice little climb back up. If anybody else is new or anybody who wants to and hasn't, I invite you to join the Mighty Ox Trading Discord. There's the link. We have lots of good information and helpful stuff there, and we're continuing to expand on that. Oh, God. Hanging here about 653. So over the high occurred a couple hours ago, 689. Our low, 633. We're just on the low side of mid-range. Sideways action right now. Little as talk and a lot more action. We are about 16 minutes from the bell. Ace should be showing up soon. Action slowed down a bit. So market's taking a breath. Can't blame it. Kind of watching, rating. For those of you new, I am a little weird too, so just bear with me. I get weirder when there's nothing going on. Oh, there's a pop. Back up to 55. ES hanging around 53.30. Everybody got dead quiet all of a sudden. So waiting for the bell. A few minutes to go. Kind of choppy. This week could be kind of slow and choppy because of not a lot of news this week. We're heading into the Memorial Day holiday. I expect Friday to be blah. Excitement this week is the FOMC meeting minutes and the NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA, and however you pronounce it, on Wednesday. And kind of, spiky here, up, down, up, down. Hey, Ace, good morning. How was the weekend? I'm doing good, Ace. Komodo, yeah, basically you want trading to become boring just because you don't want, the worst part about I should say the biggest detriment to trading is emotions. So you don't want to get too high or too low on any trade. So you kind of want it to always be even and steady. You want it to be enjoyable, not like you don't want it's in my opinion, it's not going to get boring as in like you wish you weren't doing it, but it's just that you don't go through the major highs and lows of when you start out, and where every win seems like it's the best thing ever and every loss seems like it's the worst thing ever. Yeah, I mean that could be, I mean if you're with me, I'm using a very small time frame, but if you're using a larger time frame, then I mean there's people that do other things while waiting for their setups and stuff. Just kind of waiting here as I head toward the bell. 5 minutes to go. See if we get that little 925 spike. Wow. Oh, whoosh. See, there's that 925 spike. Tries to bounce up after that little spike. We're going to wait until after the bell now to take any more trades. So you could feel free to talk amongst yourselves. Uh, Gentlemen, might be veering a little bit off course. I've personally never worn a bra in the back of a Studebaker. Studebaker. 'Still falling. Two minutes. Are we ready? Everybody ready? 45 seconds to go. I'm late on the bell sound. Dow's popping back up. And QES coming down. Still falling. New low of day, I think. No, not quite. Oh, look at the bounce on the overnight low. Taking the long. Boom, target hit. There we go. Look at that. Trading off the overnight low. And he shoots right back down. And shoots right back up. And we're long again. Oh, close. Got close to my target and didn't hit it. Let's see if it tries again. Got within 3 ticks of my target. There we go. Target hit. 2 in a row. Nice boom. Back up to 661. Overnight high again was 689. Got a little ways to go for there. 2 wins in the first 2 minutes after the open. Wow. For a total of 16.5 points. Still rising up. Break. Are you still on Austin time there, G-Man? You think that's break time? Nice rise. Maybe going for an overnight high touch trade. Dow's falling. Oh, me. I don't get breaks. I didn't join the union. Continuing to rise. How are you doing, CVR? Wait a minute. CVR, I thought you couldn't be here. Aren't you working? Or are you off today? Oh, good. Well, glad to have you when you can be here. Still heading up. New high day. Is that good, Komodo, or bad? So that means the trade really didn't happen and you have to send me all the profits. That's okay. Demo means you're learning. That's nothing wrong with doing demo. Actually, the rule is AC. You need to buy K-pop a hoodie. Oops, I just hit the wrong thing. We're in a short trade here. I'm going to get out real quick, though, if it goes against me. I did not actually mean to hit the button. Out. Didn't drop like I thought. I'm glad I got out there. Dumb trade. So now we're looking at Thursday's highs, which is all-time highs on NQ at 760. We just broke 700. Excuse me 1 second. Coming down now. Should have taken it right off that band bounce there. Coming down nice. Oh, bounce back up. I have 7-Eleven on TradingView and on Topstep X. Bounces. All right, Ace. Took a short on Topstep, got about 5 points. Oh, red. So are we having rhythmic issues? Is that what's going on? I just messed up that taking that long there. I didn't have a rhythmic up. Let me grab rhythmic here and log in. And let's go check out the Apex server. I don't see anyone complaining. Let's see. Okay, well, still haven't logged in yet. It's been about a minute trying to get into Apex on Ninja Trader. There it goes. So let's take a gander here. Ooh, Ninja Traders froze up on me. So what's going on? Oh yeah, I'm still not logged in. I think. It says I am. So, NT froze up on me as soon as it connected. Okay, now I think I'm. Yeah, now it looks like I'm. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, it's showing. Hold on. I don't know. NT is like totally stressing my system right now. Hanging here, pulling back. So stop. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with NT on my system. Pulling back. A little bit of a drop. Got up to 710. Oh, 712, sorry. Now drop back down to 97, back under 700. Oh, nice bounce. Hanging out. Looks like it wants to come down. There's a nice pop there on ES that, oh, it's a 5-minute chart. No wonder I'm looking at it weird. Oh, wow. There we go. There's a pop. Back up toward the highs. Boom. New high, 715. ES up to 39. Up to 723. 760 all-time highs. I have no idea what EES's all-time high is. 53.49 from Thursday. About 9 points away. We got them both. Did it? Seems to be happening a lot lately. So far, it looks like it's still a good trade. And oh, and then Q Cossack. Do you remember your entry? And now it might not be such a good trade. We're at 727. Funded account or eval, Cossack? We're short off that purple candle on the 30. I want to stop at 31. Well, one thing about Topstep is they'll usually make it right if you end up taking a loss or whatever. I looks like I'm gonna get stopped out again. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Stop out. The chart on my Topstep X is still moving. I haven't tried taking an order with it though. Okay. Okie dokie. You can't, Cossack. Yeah, okay, we just got user API disconnected on Topstep X. I mean, right now, Cossack is up 40 points on this trade. How many contracts, Cossack? Did you have a profit target on it? Well, so far, the high of the trade will be 47 points. It's pulling back now. So you've been up almost 2 grand. Yeah, here it comes. It's continuing up. All-time high 760. We're getting close. I make it sound like that was so long ago. That happened on Thursday. It's amazing how many all-time highs we're seeing. All-time high in NQ and ES, the Dow, uh, copper, and gold. There's 50. ES up to 53.44. Up. David says it's back active, Cossack. Go manage that trade. ES all-time high is 49 even, 53.49. So you're about 5 points away. You're welcome, G-Man. Gold's riding back up. Yeah, pulling back here now a little bit on Q. Yeah, absolutely. That gets rid of the drawdown worries. If you're on a 50K, you're above the starting. Nothing you can really do when it's on Topstep, G-Man. There's really no plan for it. You can go on their Discord and ask them to close you, but you have no idea how quickly they'll get to it. But yeah, the thing is, with Topstep, there's no reason to panic. Now because they will, when stuff like that happens, they'll erase any bad trade, like it never happened. But the thing is, he was 50 points in profit, so if it had pulled back to like 10 points in profit, then he would have lost like 40 points. There we go. Boom. 53. ES 45. You were out at the bus, Ace. I tried to radio the bus driver to tell you to go long, but I couldn't get him on the mic. And now we're coming down, and this is why you're not long, Ace. So we hit 50, pulled down to 37. Ace, I would not wait for that envelope to arrive. I'm short off that purple candle. Late, but short. Okay, so we need to send money for that DNA test. Oh. How late did I get in? 39 and I got it. Not that bad. Just gonna decide to bounce here. Yep. Purple candle didn't work. Stopped out. Oh, it hasn't stopped me out yet. Now it has. Pulls back. Yeah. Coming down now. Ace, I think you killed the chat with that comment. I was kidding. I don't think you actually killed the chat. Popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Oh. I think it's going to make the run for 60 here. Maybe not, because this was a lower high, so we'll see. Low high, lower high, lower high. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Okay, got up to 47, pulls back. Nope, just sitting there. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching candles form away. Yeah. Yep. Hang in there. Hanging. Oh, I've actually never watched that movie. Here's the gasp from everybody that I never watched that movie. And RJ is going to get out his bingo card. There we go. Uh, Cossack, I just found out about it last night. I don't know. I need to review it more. First glances, it seems expensive, and I don't know, but I need to review it more. Ew. Just chop, 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 chop till we drop. So how's everybody doing so far? Remember, we could be facing a choppy week. Not a lot of news this week, and we're heading into a holiday. Oh yeah, Cossack, where did you get out of your trade? Yeah, Mrs. Ace told me that that's usually the case. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. You're talking about your trading, Ace? I'm sorry, Ace. I am so sorry. Uh, nice, RJ. An excellent trade, Cossack. Nice, John. Very nice. See, I told you. You just need to quit that job. Million trades seems a little excessive. I always consider anything over 750,000 to be over trading. Ooh, popped up again. Here's the run. Maybe this is after this consolidation. Is this the run to 760? Let's see. There's 49. There's 50. Our high of the day is 54. Can it get it? Can it get it? Can it get it? I think I can. 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 Up 51. Yeah. Nope. 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 ES tops out at 45 quarter, and Q topped out 51.75. Pulls back. Let's see if it is pulling back for another run. Elite Trader funding. This went 80% off. TradingView is having a 70% off sale on yearly plans to celebrate Victoria Day. If you need a link for TradingView, if you want TradingView, it is in the video description below. If you already have TradingView and you want this deal, you can get it, and it adds it on to your current plan. Oh, God. Yeah, here we go. Here's maybe in the rise. We're going to try again. It's going to try again. Come on, champ. You can do it. Back 53. 55. ES 46. Give me a second. You're gonna see some weird stuff. TradingView link. It's not in the video description below. I lied. You hear the train coming. So again, it could not get to the highs. It got within a 1.5. So I mean, almost. I guess you could consider that. But and it falls 15 points. ES got about 3 points, 11 ticks from its all time. Will it try again? Kind of hanging here around 750. Will it try the next? Will it try again for the run for the border? About half an hour to go on the stream. Blue candle. Here's that. Maybe here's the run. We'll try it. Target's actually the high day. Struggling at 53. Yep, pulls back. Ooh, ouch. Nope, rejects again. Trying again, maybe. Back to my entry. Nope. Rising. Come on. Give me a boost. Come on. Struggling. It's hanging around 750. There we go. Got a little, nope. Had a little oomph. It lost its oomph. Yep. Decided nope. Oh, maybe. Come on. Nope. Come on, baby. Come on, back up. I should just cut this trade. Back to my entry. Smart man will probably get out here. Take the break even. No one's ever accused me of being smart. Yep, I should have done that. Or maybe not. NQ, what the heck are we doing? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. It's why it's kind of staying in. I figure is worth sticking through. There's back to 750. High of this move was 754 of this area here. High of day 758 half. My target's a 758.75. Yep, back down. That might have been my last chance right there. I think now it's trying to reverse down, but we'll see. Yeah, it's about ready to stop me out. It's hitting that same area that I struggle with. Let's see if it bursts through. I could have got 3 points. That's about to stop me. Got within 1 tick of my stop. It's a long trade for me. I entered 11 minutes ago. One more try. And back down. There we go. There's a break up to 52, 53. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, chameleon. 55, 56, 57. Boom! Target hit. Wow. 12-minute trade. And we got our 10. And it still didn't hit all-time highs. It's got 3 ticks away from all-time high. Sat through all that chop. By the way, the better entry on that trade would have been down here. We had the red here and here. This was actually a late entry for me. I could have got in. I mean, it wasn't that big of a difference, 2 points, but still. Thank you, JJR. Did it touch it? It did it. It did now, right? Yep, new all-time high, 762.5. Not that that really matters, but you know, it's just fun to talk about. All-time high. Hey, looks like maybe that's where it's going to top. Let's see. Here it comes. So we have about 15 minutes left to go. We are green on the day, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. Remember, folks, if you want to grab Bulenox end of day accounts for 18 bucks, or those Topstep X accounts for 19 bucks, that deal ends today. The links are in the video description below. Grab them before they're gone. In all honesty, I mean, 90% is going to continue on the Bulenox intraday, but it's very rare to see the end of day on sale like this. So we got up to 62. We've pulled back to 53. Still hemming and hauling. Had that nice break to the upside to get to the highs, and now it's just a bleh. Yep, looks like we want to come down. Maybe. Nope, maybe not. Maybe not. Here it goes. It's going to try and rise up again. Yes, still down at 46, almost 47. Its all-time high is 49. Oh, there we go. Now we're bursting. 772. Got volume spike there. Shorting that spike. There we go. Boom. Come on. A little bit further. Taking it off there. So that was a 7.25 point trade there. So two nice trades here in the last, 15, 20 minutes or so. Still coming down, so I could have sat through that upwards momentum and then back down, but I didn't want to. I did not want to. Yep, it's still dropping. Trying to pop up. Pull one down. Through it and went for a longer trade than what I did. And I probably should have. But I'm okay with that. I will get better at that. The fact that I recognized it and entered without waiting for any type of like purple or anything like that, it makes me happy. I noticed the volume. I noticed the candle, the way the candle looked, all that good stuff. Wow, and it's a quick fall here now, making me feel all bad. Oh, nice bounce. Oh, we reached the top of the hour. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I did a finish in green today. Slightly, about 150 bucks. We'll be back tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern time, to join us for 2 hours of Asia streaming. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.